She always have to run or try to run, but she can't run properly because her ass too red and hurting. So, baby, stop showing me your game because I see all of your game.
You see all of my giraffe for? Hey, boy. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are you guys doing? Today's what? Thursday. Happy Thursday, you guys. Tyler and I is out the house and we're at the park having a little fun. We haven't been out yesterday because we didn't really feel like leaving the house, but today we're at the park having a little fun time. There's some kids here, so that's good. He's just looking around, looking at everybody because he doesn't really used to that. He's there riding his horse. Say hello. Look at the camera. Say hello. Say hi. Tyler. Say hello. So yeah, you guys, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. You guys are doing well, and we'll catch you guys later. Just in time from the park for Tyler's snack. It feels so good outside. I'm sure we didn't need all the sweaters and all those things. It feels so good outside. It's crazy how good it feels outside. So we got back just in time for Tyler to get his snack. He was ready to go anyway, so he jumped on his bike and he was like giving me the signal that mommy, I'm ready to go. So he's having this pureed apple sauce, and he's gonna have a yogurt as usual. You know, he can't do it without yogurt. And he's gonna have a banana, which he loves. Banana. With some water. Banana. You'll have the banana after, okay? If I let him hold this, you guys, he's gonna squeeze out everything. I normally give it to him whenever he almost finishes the package. Good boy, you're proving mommy wrong, huh? You're getting so big. He's getting so big and so grown. It's crazy. These days he wants to do everything all by himself. When he's eating, he wants to hold his own spoon. When he's drinking, he wants to hold his own things, like you see. But normally when I give him this in the packet like this, he squeezes it and everything runs out, so I don't normally give it to him. But there you go, he's proving mommy wrong. You want mommy to feed you? Yum yum. I can't believe how grown he's getting. You're getting so grown. Ah. My point exactly. Stop. My point exactly. You proved me wrong there for a minute, boy. Thought he was gonna prove me wrong for a minute. Well, he did for a second. And then, bam. You're gonna have the yogurt first and then the banana after?
No.
Yeah, let's have the yogurt first. You're welcome. Boo! Come here. Come here. Mommy frighten you? Huh? Mommy frighten you? Mommy frighten boo. So today for dinner I am going to make some jerk chicken, oven jerk chicken that is, and some baked sweet potato. No, Tyler, no. No. I have been craving jerk chicken all week, so I just decided to make it today. As a matter of fact, I bought some chicken at the supermarket over the weekend and I just seasoned everything. It was a big packet of chicken, a lot came in it, and I just packaged it out and seasoned everything. That way it will be even better when it's cooked because it will be well marinated and all that. Jeez, you guys, my workout is really showing. So yeah, that's what I'm about to cook. So this is my jerk chicken. This is my jerk chicken all seasoned. I'm just going to put it in this pan. I'm just going to open it and throw it out in here. Just gonna throw everything out in here. That's good. And then I'm going to cover this with some foil paper. I'm putting it in the oven for an hour, but at 45 minutes I'm going to check it and glaze it and all that, and put it back for the last 15 minutes without any foil paper for it to get that awesome color. So the oven is just preheating, so it's not ready for it just yet. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my potato, split it into, wrap it in some foil paper and bake it for an hour. So there we go. This is so pretty, you guys. So I'm just going to stick the back of it with a fork just to make the heat goes through it very nicely. What are you guys making for dinner today? Comment down below and let me know what you guys are making for dinner today. And as I am speaking to you guys right now, the sunset is coming up, and of course, you know, I have to share it with you. It is so beautiful. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like right now coming up. If you can see over the skies, so beautiful. You guys, check that out. Amazing view. I can't be selfish. I have to share this with you guys every day. Look at that. That's awesome. Such a beauty to look at. Okay, you guys, dinner is finished and I'm having it pretty simple tonight. I don't really feel to up for any vegetables, so I'm just gonna go for my baked sweet potato and my chicken. I love chicken thighs, can you tell? So my baby and I is gonna eat. You ready to eat? Yes, I know. All right, you guys, so we're gonna grub, and of course hubby is not home yet, so we won't wait on him to eat. You guys, my handsome hubby is home. Hey guys, it's late night now and I'm having some tea because I'm not feeling too well, and then I'm gonna kick some butt at Uno.
She always says she's gonna kick my butt, but at the end of the day, or should I say at the end of the party, she always have to run or try to run, but she can't run properly because her ass too red and hurting. So gonna show you after. Whenever she gonna lose, I'm gonna show you how she run with a red and
We're gonna
hurting
count and see who wins the most game.
Okay,
Deal?
deal.
Alright. So I was gonna end the vlog, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna come back and end the vlog when we finish playing.
Hey guys, she I don't know why she just turned on the things. Well, I let her announce who win for now.
You guys, some intense game of Uno is going on right now. I'm getting my ass kicked. I think it's because I want to sleep, guys. Don't you
Losing
think?
face.
You guys, I haven't won not even one game. And if I lose this game, I'm going to bed. I promise you. I just drop a draw four and he drop another draw four on top of it. He does that the second time now.
Baby, stop showing me your game because I see all of your game.
You see all of my draw four? Hey, boy. If I win this game,
Command the card.
2. If I win this game, I'll play another one. But if I lose, I'm going to bed.
Red.
Uno.
Upgrade.
Yes, I won, you guys, but I'm not playing anymore. I just want to know that I win one. Okay, you guys, I am going to bed. I'm so tired. My eyes is fat and I have to get up early to work out tomorrow. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up, and we'll talk to you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Well, she just win one.